The next problem we're looking at is identifying the intervals where the function is increasing, decreasing, and constant. So we're looking at our graph here. This is problem number 23 on your review. And I'm going to use an I for increasing, a D for decreasing, and a C for constant. So we're looking to see where it's actually increasing. Remember, we always read the graph from left to right. So for increasing, we're going up. For decreasing, we're going down. Remember, on other graphs, sometimes we're starting from up here and coming down. You have to remember that even if it would have an arrow going, that still means it's decreasing because it's coming down from left to right. So as we're looking at increasing, we're looking from here going up, and we'll also have from here going up. Now remember, the main thing that we have to remember is that we look at x values only. We're not looking at the y value, we're looking at x values only. The other thing is that we will always use only our parentheses, and we will not use brackets, okay? Only the parentheses, because we're doing an interval of where it's increasing and decreasing. So here we look at our x values and we see that we are starting at -2 and we are going over to -1 because that's the x values. We also look at the other part and we come over here and we see that we are starting at 3, but it goes on, so that tells us we are going to infinity. So those are our increases. Our decrease will be from here to here. So we're looking at the value of 1 to the value of 3. And now we're looking at our constants. We can see our constant is where we go straight across. So from the value of -1 to the value of 1. So from -1 to 1. Now, what you can do to check yourself is you can look to see, did I cover all of the values in the interval of the graph here? So we can see our graph starts at -2. We went to -1. We went from -1 to 1, 1 to 3, and 3 to infinity. So we can see that we actually covered everything, so we didn't leave any parts out. So that way it's a check to make sure you got all of your sections covered.